Hey guys, Ed here. In this quick video I'll show you how to replace air filter in 2008 to 2012 Chevy Malibu. So let's start. This car is 2.4, but I believe it's going to be the same procedure for 3.5 motor. So pop the latch, pop the hood, move the latch to the right, raise it up, it should hold, so move it to the right. So here, this is our air filter housing. So to get the air filter is inside. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take this hose off. It's actually very simple. You press here and pull off. Okay, so you can see you press here and pull off. Very simple. Just move it to the side, then remove these two clips, 1 and 2. Now we just have to move this housing out of the way. I'll do this with one hand, put a napkin here. Don't rush things. Here you have to get this cover from those notches. Get it out, raise it up a little bit. Actually, what you have to do, you have to raise it just as much. Oh, it's a little bit uncomfortable to do this with one hand. I'm gonna put you guys here. Okay, so when you have a gap like this, it's enough to get the filter out. So you just raise the filter up and pull it out, just like this. Actually, of course, you can try to get the whole housing out, but I do it this way, it's easier. So here's our filter. This filter is very dirty, it should be changed. I don't have a replacement filter on me right now. It's already ordered online, but when I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna replace it. So once you're done, same way, put it back in, just slide it in. Put you guys here again. Okay, so you just slide it in, make sure it's in this position. All right, then just close the lid, so to make sure this end is nice and solid. You see these notches here? They should go in two places, here under the hose and here. So put them in. Okay, once you have them in, you can just close these these notches, latches, and put the hose back on till it clicks. And that's it. That's the whole procedure. As you can see, it's very simple. Everyone can do this. So hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.